destruction. Alright, in the place where we are right now, there's this huge windstorm knocking everything around. And this is probably the most destructive thing. I was walking around, and our dog was out here, and she sniffed something up near the fence. Something unusual. And there was a crack in the fence. You want to see what the wind did to this? Look at the wind did. It actually broke our fence in part that separates this fence from that yard. It was just weird. There's windstorms everywhere. Things are going off the Nile. Things is going just crazy. Alright, the front yard isn't that bad, but there are literally garbage cans and recyclable cans all over the street. Ours, we live right here. Now there's a cul-de-sac over there, and one of our dumpster things got blown all the way down there. So I'm gonna bring it over there, and you'll see it soon in part 2.